Hello. Thank you for joining us today for the Visergy Digital Marketing webinar for our email marketing platform. My name is Amanda Avery, and I'm going to be going over the email marketing tools through a couple different scenarios that may be beneficial to your business. And we're going to start off with our home screen for our client login. And hopefully a lot of you are familiar with this screen, and we're going to start off at the top. There's a couple different selections that you have, and we're going to use the email marketing tab. So we're going to just click on that, and that's actually going to direct us into the email marketing tool. So easy to get to and access this information. So we're going to start off with a kind of a broad overview of the platform. You start off in your dash, and this can be configured specifically to your liking. We have at the top, we're going to focus today on a couple of these categories. We're going to do talk about databases and the data within those, content, which is your mailings and the templates, as well as your asset library, which is where you can store your logo and any images that you want to use for your emails. Our automation tool, which allows you to create some email campaigns, and you set those and then they run automatically. We're also going to be looking at reports today. So our first scenario today is when a customer goes to your website and they sign up for your promos, offers, and newsletters. We want to send them a thanks for joining welcome email. So we're going to start off in the content tab, and we're going to go to our mailing templates. We're not going to be creating any mailings from scratch. We're going to build all of our templates or all of our email campaigns off of templates, just because we want those to be compatible with mobile devices. So we'll go into our content tab and we'll click on templates. From here, we'll be brought into our list of all the templates that we currently have available. So we're going to start off with our thanks for joining email. So we're going to go into this email, and we are going to save as, we're going to create a new email, and we'll just call it welcome 2015. We'll click on the OK button. And now we'll work from this. We're going to select our contact source, and this is going to be our database for our customers that we're going to send emails to. So we're signed in right now as the Florida Resort and Spa. So we're going to go into their database and add that to this mailing. And we have the subject line, thanks for joining, and this can be edited. We'll go ahead and add a little just exclamation point today. The from name we have as Florida Resort and Spa. We can edit that if we need to, as well as the from and reply to address. We're happy with all of that now, so we'll go ahead and click on the save button again. And now we're going to edit the content of the mailing. So we'll go into mailing body, and we want to go through and edit some of the images. So we're going to edit the logo for this particular email. And we'll actually do that by, if you go to the image and you right click on it, it brings up a little drop down menu, and we're going to click on edit image. And we're going to upload an image, and we can either do that from our hard drive on our computer, or we can use our asset library. We're going to use our asset library today. Click on the locate button, and we're going to choose the logo for Florida Resort and Spa, and we'll insert that. And we can, right here, we can edit the size of the logo. So we're going to make this a little bit smaller. We're going to save that. And now we can see the image. We'll leave this image here. And we have at the bottom, we have a click the button below to answer our questionnaire and receive a promo for 20% off your next visit. So we've actually embedded a tool so that we can collect some information here. And we're going to save this again. And we're going to go to our preview tool. So we're going to skip these and go on to preview. And we'll see the email as it's going to look when it's sent out. And we can actually click on this and make sure the links are working. We're going to click on the Tell Me More just so you can see what will happen when a customer clicks on this. They'll be sent to a quick questionnaire page and their email will automatically populate, but we'll go ahead and just type in and we'll say that this, I'm interested in family vacations and leisure travel. I'm going to click the submit button and it'll let me know that I've responded and that's done. So that's how this will work. And we can go over here and enter in one of our contacts from the database to check and make sure that the personalization is working. So we'll click on that, test it, and there we have our email as it will look for this particular customer. It's updated the name. There's also a spam check tool, and you'll see that there's a score of 1.8, and as long as you're in the medium to good range, you are good. Same thing with the warnings. You want it to be either in the blue, trying to stay away from red. And once again, we'll save that email